the cruise. So what do?
Universal!
We go to Universal! And somehow I got through the line with the kids and Tim's
Maybe because he got
way back there.
Maybe because he went before we got on after we did.
Yes, he was busy looking at the Lamborghini down at Ballet. That's what he was doing. We were ready to go to Universal. He was
It looks
playing.
like a UFO.
It does. The Lamborghini looks like a UFO. Which is funny because when we were in New Orleans a few days ago, I thought we saw a Lamborghini, but it was a Ferrari, and now I see a Lamborghini today. Go figure. The security guard is very thorough. He's going through every single possible pocket.
Should I go over there? And I'm wearing my Minecraft.
All right.
He's wearing his Minecraft hat from Easter.
Your Easter Bunny Minecraft hat, right?
Yeah.
So I have a meeting today.
Oh, wait.
And the kids and Tim are going to go play for a couple hours.
Hawaiian punch.
Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort.
Welcome to Orlando. Welcome to Universal Orlando Resort. Do you guys want to know something?
That's the class Mommy's going to.
Oh, Universal News.
Yeah.
They're not that scared.
I was going to say, that's kind of a quiet group, isn't it?
Yeah. Maybe they've been on it before.
Maybe. And this is where I'm going, to the theater. We're going to take the kids and Tim to that back entrance. Don't know if you guys know this, but there is a back entrance right over here to Universal. Never a line. See, you'll see anybody in line. But that other entrance had several people in line. So if it's busy, you gotta check out this location right next to Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket.
On our way to Transformers, and it looks like we're going to get to see a Transformer. In line to see.
Bumblebee.
Yeah?
I thought it would be Bumblebee because I heard news and I was like, wait a minute, Bumblebee.
You've been waiting
and
for
it was
him
actually over there.
You've been waiting for him for a while, huh?
Bumblebee.
And where's Kelly?
Kelly's not taking a picture. He's over there.
Is he afraid of Bumblebee?
No, he's afraid of Transformers.
Something I didn't know about the Daily Prophet. You knock on the door, just speak, and you'll start hearing people talk. Pretty cool. Alright, you got it.
Exclusive. Tear out page one. The whole front page. The whole front page. Out. How about the Boggart story? No. Leave the Boggart story in. That's wizard interest.
Isn't it cute? Big brother holding his little sister, taking care of her through the parks. It's awesome. Furious 7 cars. Barracuda. Oh, I think I want the Jeep.
That's cool.
I said Jeep, but it's not a Jeep. I don't even know what you would call this thing. It's all custom built frame,
Oh, it's a
custom built body. That thing is cool though. I want one of those. It's like an apocalypse vehicle, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Need that for The Walking Dead.
Yeah. Hello.
A 6-barrel 440.
Really? Yeah, this is your tires turned up inside out. Look, the red thing on.
Nope.
So what happened? I heard that you were in Ollivander's and got new wands.
Yeah, let's show her.
What happened? You were selected again?
Yeah.
And they let you swap out your wands for a new one?
Yeah.
What did it cost?
Did you have to buy a new wand?
No, we had to switch it out.
Wait. Mine is in the back.
So they literally took your old wand that was broken and used and you've had for several months, and they updated it to the new one that you got today for free.
These are much bigger.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Much bigger ones.
You like that one? That one is creepy. Let me see that one, Hunter.
Wait till you see Kelly's.
Okay.
You think that one's creepy?
What do you guys think of this one? This one is creepy. This one was selected for you?
Tell us in the comments which one is scarier.
Which one's scarier? Yeah, these are and they're interactive ones too?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my gosh, that one's creepy too.
Tell us in the comments section below which one is the scariest.
Wow. And it's much heavier. So you got to swap out your old ones for these new ones.
Much bigger.
Still interactive, great detail for free. That
and
is.
Here's the other part. So Hunter's had a little chip in hers, her old one.
Right.
Had a chip in the handle. They said if she didn't want to exchange it, which they were happy to exchange it even with the chip, but if she wanted to keep hers because she really liked it, that they could repair it. They have a repair shop there.
We've actually done that before. I don't know if you remember, hers broke before.
Well, I remember the top part, I thought they just switched it out. I didn't realize they have a repair shop and they said they would fix the chip.
Oh, because they take it to the repair shop last time, but they just give them a new one. I don't think they actually fix it. It's, you know, staying with the theme, I think.
Gotcha. I gotcha.
But I like that thought process.
They convinced me.
Seems like they have little elves in the back working on it. Well, that is crazy awesome, guys. I love that. You know, it's funny, for as often as we're at Universal, every time I'm here, I'm still learning something new.
Oh, they showed me another new tip today that I knew nothing about.
What was the other new tip?
I think you already know it. When you knock on the Daily Prophet,
yes,
they talk back to you.
Yes, we did know that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, Hunter's many times gone and knocked on the door waiting for a response.
Rip Ride Rocket time!
Are we doing Rip Ride Rocket? You're awfully quiet over here, Minecraft boy. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, what did you do other than Diagon Alley?
No rides.
No rides yet, but you did the Ollivander Wind. Anything else?
Every time we stopped for Dad for a
did.
minute, he would read.
Oh, Kelly, so we're at a theme park and you're reading?
Yeah.
What book are you reading?
Hunger Games.
Hunger Games? Oh, so you're sucked in, huh? Awesome, bud.
I'm sucked in because you said if I read the whole book, I get to watch the movie.
Oh, and that's what we're excited about? All right, let's go to Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket then.
That's probably next.
Are you ready to go on it?
Yeah.
All right, Hunter is ready to go on one of her favorites, Hollywood Rip Ride Rockets. Kelly, you gonna do it with us?
No.
Come on, bud. You did it like, what, 3 times in a row?
No.
You can do it!
I'm actually really terrified.
No, you're not. You've done it. You blast the music and you just hang on and you just grip it and do it. No? Well, then if you don't get to go, you get to hold mommy's purse.
Yay.
Yay. All right, go check out the time. I'm ready, baby.
Are you ready for the metal detector?
Oh, yeah, they have metal detectors now. Oh, they have single rider line. Shall we do single rider line?
Sure.
All right, 10 minutes for that one.
No. Yeah, I think so.
All right, we'll do single rider.
When you flush the toilet, just go counterclockwise. Hello. How you doing? Where you from? I see you going with like the team green today. Was that on purpose, or did you know you were meeting the ogre's wife right here and the woman that turns into an ogre after dark? That's your favorite color? Really? Where you from? You live in the park. I didn't know that construction was for apartments back out back, but you live in the park. How does that work? Are you like the Phantom of the Park? When you like run around like the parapets at night and run around up there singing? Yep. Now that sounds like a problem. How you know this girl? You don't even know who she is, do you? Ladies and gentlemen, we got an Amber Alert. What's your name, girl? Hunter has been seen. She's got to be at least like, I'm on what? Like, what you think, yo? Like 3 foot, 4 foot? What's she at? Yeah, like 3'8", something like that. And we got an Amber Alert over here. Her name is Hunter. And what's your name? What's that? Kelly. Kelly, and Kelly is with her. We don't know know how he knows her, but they lost. Please come over here so we can get this photo for evidence. Look at the camera, guys, and say, awkward.
Being here all the time, actually found out today we learned some new stuff at Diagon Alley, and I just learned something new about the Photo Connect, where if you're an annual pass holder, you can pay a one-time $100 fee and get unlimited pictures with your annual pass the whole entire year. So if you have an annual pass and you're here all, did you just photobomb me?
Yes.
And if you're here all year long like we are, $100 is a fantastic deal to get unlimited pictures. They also have something that if you do just 3 days, it's $69. But for that extra 40, extra 30 bucks, it's worth it to pay $100 and get it all year long. So another little fun tip for annual pass holders.
Hello.
Hello. That's a big donut. Christy Burger! Dun dun dun! Oh, don't do that! No one wants to see that! Craziness!
No, we're not.
Ellie is dying to play these games. Oh, they did! There used to be a big sign here. What happened to it?
Oh yeah, it said do not touch.
Yeah.
Mom?
Gone.
Yeah, it used to be sitting
The do
right
not
here.
touch sign is gone,
It used to
Hunter.
be sitting right there on that box.
Oh.
Because it said.
What mysterious thing is under the box now?
Oh, I wonder.
Probably the do not touch sign.
And we're gonna go ride the Simpsons.
I never noticed that.
Right? Look at the eyeballs move. Hunter, can you do that with your eyeballs? Let's see it. Okay, that's just a little creepy. Can you do it with your eyeballs? Krusty Land! Welcome to Krusty Land!
Hey, I want popcorn.
We'll deep fry anything.
Krusty, is this a nuclear reactor? Oh.
What do you know about nuclear energy, kid? Leave that to us clowns.
Oh, Mr. Krusty, sir, the reactor is terribly dangerous with the leakages and the crackages. Observe. Oh, the growing is happening. Now, if a human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occurulate? They could grow 50 feet tall, or 3 extra arms, or an eye where their nose should be, which is painful.
Hey, Nerdenheimer, don't you have a test tube to polish?
Yes, I do, actually, but you denied my request for test tube polish. I've been using rainwater in my shirt tail. It's difficult.
Get out of here! Here we are at the vehicle boarding station.
I'm sorry, sir. People with heart conditions may not ride. Why, I'm in the best shape I've ever... Oh, heart attack! Been in my life. I feel like a 20-stroke-year-old. Massive aneurysm. I'll wait outside.
Line them up, troublemakers. They're looking for parts. So it's $5 a bucket. All right, guys, ready, set, go. Aim, fire. Oh! All right, Hunter. Yeah! Hunter got one. Good job. All right, people are starting to line up for the parade. Don't you feel like we should wave?
We are the parade right now.
Hello.
Everybody's watching us.
Hello.
See all these people lined up on the curb?
Hello. I know. Do the princess wave. Do this. Screw the light bulb. Screw the light bulb.
Screw the light bulb. Well, you have to
Gotta have the
keep
smile,
your
too.
fingers together and do it.
Oh, so you screw the light bulb with the finger together?
Yeah.
Screw the light bulbs.
No, I said yes.
Oh, Kelly, you got it down. Look at you. You've got the smile town, chin raised a little bit. Nice. So cowfish it is for dinner.
Woo! Woo! Jesse, Texas.
Yeehaw! You ready?
Fine, build a fish.
Oh, he's gonna let you. All right, go for it. You have 5 minutes. Go. Fastest building fish in the West. It is not busy. Look at how empty it is. We walked right in. Tell us about this new workout that we're doing, because that's like a big thing. We're always trying to be good on the roads. We're always traveling, but we started a new workout regime.
Who's we? I'm the only one that's done it. So.
That is true. I have not started it yet. It's definitely on my list of things to do, maybe sometime this week, but
so anyway, the name of the workout is Focus T25. It's from Beachbody, the same people that do P90X. It's all body weights. You don't need any equipment, which makes it easy for us when we're on the road all the time. It comes in like these little pack of DVDs.
And this is like one of the few workouts, not this one, but the P90X, the guy that did P90X. We both lost a crazy amount of weight.
Oh yeah, I lost 60 pounds when I did P90X in 2010. 30 pounds of that has come back, so that's why we're trying to get back in shape. It's, you know, the 25 part of it is it's only 25 minutes a day, so it goes pretty quick. And it's only 5 days a week, so.
Oh, it is only 5 days?
It's only 5 days a week.
I can do that. I'll do Hunter Sunset.
25 minutes.
We'll keep you posted and let you know how we do. We're gonna beat him down. We beat Daddy down! Woohoo! We beat Dad! Did you see your fish?
Yeah, we see your fish over there. I saw mine.
You saw your fish? This fish is playing soccer. Alright.
Let's do it. It's fun.
Good night, Cowfish. Alright, so we had a great afternoon at Universal, right?
I won Lisa.
Hunter won Lisa! And then we had Cowfish for dinner. And now it's time to go home and wake up and go to Disney tomorrow, right?
Yay! Wait a minute.
Ready?
The Joneses are out.